Legends of Learning presents The Missing Links game. This is a science game that makes learning about reconstructing evolutionary history using fossils fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, you get to be a paleontologist. Fossils are quite rare, but you'll be lucky enough to find a few. Once you've dug through the dig sites, you'll take your finds to the lab and assemble the fossils to view the evolutionary lineage of some common animals. You'll learn a little bit about how the animals evolved and what their ancestors were like. You might even make a new discovery. Use your mouse to click on blocks to dig and search for fossils. Once you find a fossil, click to collect it. After you have collected enough fossils, go to the lab to start assembling them to see which creatures you have uncovered from the dig site. You can go back to the dig site if you need more fossils to complete the whole structure. Read interesting facts about the fossils that you have found. Find all of the fossils to complete the 2 dig sites, and you will win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.